Good afternoon. I had posted about this phone booth the other day on my shorts feed, and I'm looking to potentially make this a working unit within my shop. This phone booth was out in front of the shop forever, honestly, and somebody got the bright idea to tie a ratchet strap to the back of it and try to yank it out of the ground. Unfortunately, they didn't realize that it was still wired in and bolted to a cement slab. So it bent the crap out of the bottom of the base, unfortunately, and left it kind of haphazardly laying out in front of the shop. So at that point I knew I needed to take it down and rescue it. And since doing that, I thought, man, it'd be kind of neat to make this thing work. Now I don't know anything about this phone or these phones or how to make them work or not work, but I know there are people out there that do. And I'm looking to figure out how to, dismount it from this case, to get it removed from there so I can actually get to the workings of the phone, to figure out where to get keys for it, to do all that. I'm not exactly sure what I need to do. I know I've seen a couple of units to make these work with a digital signal, I believe. And that's what I want to do. I want to be able to plug it in inside, wire it up so the phone part actually still lights. And I think I can make that happen. Anyway, we'll get you guys some detailed views of this phone booth so you can kind of see what I'm working with. I'm not sure if the 9.9 is when this thing was decommissioned. And I'm not sure if the 42943 is the unit number. But anyway, here's a couple of close-up views of what I have. It looks like this was a GTE phone. I don't know what the model number is. There's a key on the side there. Obviously the key for the box there. A key in the bottom there. I don't believe these have numbers on them for the keys, but I'll take a look. I'll get a light on it a little bit here. I don't see any numbers on that lock. And I also don't see any numbers on that lock. So I'm going to assume that I would have to take this to a locksmith, maybe, and have them work on it, if they'll work on it. If you guys have had any luck with this type of stuff, or have the know-how, or can give me insight on how to go through and get this thing functional, I would really appreciate it. Any help or any direction that you guys can give me would be awesome, honestly. I'm not sure if the phone case and knowing what the case looks like would help to determine what this is. And obviously I haven't taken any of the safety screws out or anything like that to see what's behind that panel. I'm going to assume it's just wiring. Somebody had stickered it up with some whatever stickers there. And then the back of it looks like, I'll turn this around here. The back of it just looks like a standard payphone. This is the spot that they actually hooked the ratchet strap to, and obviously you can see that didn't make it. It pulled it, I don't know, down to about a 45-degree angle, bent the crap out of the base, and broke the strap, so they couldn't get away with it. Unfortunately for them, thankfully for me, they couldn't take it. So now it lives inside the shop here. Anyway, if you guys have some insight on this, if you could give me a hand, help me with some direction, I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you guys sticking through the videos. Take care.